Welcome back to Torq Talk. In this video, I will break down of 6 of the most reliable SUVs that will last a lifetime. Toyota Land Cruiser, the king of durability. Few vehicles can match the legendary reputation of the Toyota Land Cruiser. Known for its bulletproof engineering, this SUV has been a staple in some of the harshest environments on the planet, from the deserts of Africa to the mountains of South America. The Land Cruiser is built to last, with some models known to exceed 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. Toyota has always focused on making this SUV incredibly durable by equipping it with high-quality components and a body-on-frame construction that can withstand years of wear and tear. The Land Cruiser's powerful engines, whether the older inline-6, the 4.7L or 5.7L V8, are designed for longevity rather than high performance. These engines are often over-engineered, meaning they can handle extreme stress without failing prematurely. Many owners report driving their Land Cruisers for decades without major mechanical failures, which is why this SUV holds its value so well. In addition to its reliability, the Land Cruiser is also one of the most capable off-road SUVs ever made. It comes with full-time four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and a suspension system that allows it to conquer rough terrain with ease. Despite its strengths, the Land Cruiser isn't perfect. It has poor fuel economy, often averaging below 14 mpg, which can be a downside for daily drivers. The price tag is also on the higher end, making it one of the most expensive Toyota models. However, those who invest in a Land Cruiser know they are getting a vehicle that will last a lifetime, making it worth every penny. Honda CR-V, the ultimate no-nonsense SUV. For those who prefer a compact SUV that combines reliability, efficiency, and practicality, the Honda CR-V is one of the best options. This SUV has been a top choice for families and commuters for years due to its low maintenance costs and impressive longevity. The CR-V has a history of lasting beyond 250,000 miles when properly maintained, making it one of the most durable small SUVs on the market. Honda's engineering expertise shines in the CR-V's powertrain. The naturally aspirated 2.4L engine has been praised for its simplicity and durability, while the newer 1.5L turbocharged engine offers improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing longevity. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, in the CR-V has been refined over the years, making it one of the most reliable CVTs available. Unlike other brands that have struggled with CVT durability, Honda has managed to perfect the technology, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting performance. The CR-V's low cost of ownership makes it an appealing option for those who want a vehicle that doesn't require frequent trips to the mechanic. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes and fluid replacements, is all that's needed to keep the CR-V running smoothly for years. Additionally, the CR-V's fuel economy is impressive, often exceeding 30 mpg, which helps save money on fuel costs. While the CR-V is known for its reliability, it isn't the most exciting SUV to drive. Honda prioritizes comfort and efficiency over performance, so it doesn't have the sporty handling or power of some competitors. Some older models, particularly from 2017 to 2019, had minor issues with oil dilution in colder climates, but Honda has addressed these problems in newer versions. Despite these minor drawbacks, the CR-V remains one of the best SUVs for those who want a reliable and practical vehicle that will last for decades. Toyota 4Runner, the off-road legend. The Toyota 4Runner has been a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers for years. It is one of the few SUVs still built with a traditional body-on-frame design, giving it exceptional durability and longevity. The 4Runner is known for lasting well over 300,000 miles when properly maintained, making it one of the toughest SUVs on the market. Toyota has equipped the 4Runner with a time-tested 4.0 LV6 engine that prioritizes durability over power. This engine has been around for years, with minimal changes because it simply works. It doesn't rely on turbochargers or complicated components, reducing the risk of mechanical failures. The 5-speed automatic transmission, while outdated by modern standards, is incredibly reliable and easy to maintain. One of the biggest advantages of the 4Runner is its off-road capability. It comes with an available 4-wheel drive system, locking rear differential and high ground clearance, allowing it to tackle rough terrain with ease. Unlike many modern SUVs that focus on luxury features, the 4Runner stays true to its rugged roots, making it a great option for those who need a vehicle that can handle extreme conditions. However, the 4Runner does have some drawbacks. Its fuel economy is below average, usually averaging around 17 mpg, and its interior design feels outdated compared to newer SUVs in its class. Despite these minor flaws, the 4Runner is one of the most reliable and durable SUVs on the market, making it a great choice for those who want a vehicle that will last a lifetime. Lexus GX, luxury meets reliability. The Lexus GX is often overlooked, but it is one of the most reliable luxury SUVs available. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, the GX combines luxury and off-road capability while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability. Many GX models have been known to last well over 300,000 miles, making them a great long-term investment. Under the hood, the GX is powered by a 4.6L V8 engine that is designed for durability rather than high performance. This engine has proven to be extremely reliable, requiring minimal maintenance over the years. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth and durable, ensuring a comfortable ride without sacrificing reliability. The GX's interior is luxurious, offering high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and advanced technology. It provides a refined driving experience while still being capable of handling off-road conditions. The full-time 4-wheel drive system, along with the available adaptive suspension, allows the GX to tackle challenging terrains while keeping passengers comfortable. While the GX is a fantastic choice for those who want a long-lasting luxury SUV, it does have a few drawbacks. Its fuel economy is not great, averaging around 16 mpg, and its design has remained largely unchanged for years. However, this consistency is also what makes the GX so reliable, as Lexus has perfected its formula without adding unnecessary complexity. Subaru Forester, the reliable all-wheel drive champion. The Subaru Forester has built a strong reputation for being one of the most reliable compact SUVs, especially for those who need all-wheel drive capability. Subaru's boxer engines have proven to be durable, and the Forester's symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides excellent stability in all-weather conditions. With regular maintenance, the Forester can easily reach over 250,000 miles without major issues. The naturally aspirated 2.5L engine is known for its reliability, and while it may not be the most powerful option, it gets the job done efficiently. Subaru has also improved its CVT technology over the years, making it more reliable and smoother than ever. One of the biggest benefits of the Forester is its practicality. It has a spacious interior, great visibility, and excellent fuel efficiency, often exceeding 28 mpg. It is an ideal SUV for those who need reliability without sacrificing comfort and functionality. Like any vehicle, the Forester has its downsides. Some older models had minor oil consumption issues, and the interior design is not as upscale as some competitors. However, when it comes to long-term reliability and safety, the Forester is an excellent choice. Mazda CX-5, the stylish and reliable compact SUV. The Mazda CX-5 is an excellent choice for those who want a reliable SUV with a bit of fun and style. While Mazda isn't always the first brand people think of when considering long-lasting SUVs, the CX-5 has proven to be one of the most dependable options in its class. With proper maintenance, many CX-5 models can exceed 250,000 miles without major mechanical issues. Mazda's engineering is a big part of what makes the CX-5 so reliable. The 2.5L naturally aspirated engine has been used for years and has developed a reputation for durability. Unlike some competitors that rely on turbochargers and complex powertrains, Mazda keeps things relatively simple, reducing the risk of expensive repairs down the line. The 6-speed automatic transmission is also a highlight, offering smooth shifts without the long-term issues associated with CVTs found in many compact SUVs. One of the biggest advantages of the CX-5 is that it doesn't just prioritize reliability, it's also fun to drive. Many SUVs in its class focus only on practicality, but the CX-5 provides a sporty driving experience with precise steering and a well-tuned suspension. The interior is another area where Mazda excels, offering high-quality materials and an upscale design that rivals luxury brands. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with the CX-5 averaging around 28-30 mpg depending on the model and drivetrain. If you're looking for an SUV that will stand the test of time, you can't go wrong with any of these 6 models. Whether you need a rugged off-roader, a reliable daily driver, or a luxury SUV that won't quit, these vehicles are built to last a lifetime. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content.